Hello everyone, my name is Cindy Amelia. Here I will present about the benefits of red algae as a source of medicine from natural ingredients. Abstract: Indonesia is a country that is rich in biodiversity and has highest marine species richness. About 45% of the world's seaweed species are found in Indonesia. Quoted from the Sibolga expedition report, there are around 782 species of seaweed in Indonesia, with 196 grand algae species, 134 brown algae species, and 452 red algae. Unfortunately, although there are multiple of seaweed found in Indonesia waters, only a few types of seaweed which is known to have high economic value. In fact, according to FAO, seaweed is product that can be developed in food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, bioethanol, feed, livestock, fish feed, aquaculture, and wastewater handling. Seaweed contains a variety of metabolites that are beneficial to humans. Compared with green and brown seaweed, red seaweed, Rhodophyta, is the type of seaweed that contains the most primary and secondary metabolite compound. Red seaweed is known as a producer phycocolloids such as agarose, agar, carrageenan, and other important secondary metabolites. Review: this article aims to explain the biological activity of red algae as reference material for various fields of algae. Reference material for various fields of algae utilization. Introduction: seaweed is a source of secondary metabolites that has great potential for development into various pharmaceutical raw materials. Chemical compounds contained in grass disease include polysaccharides, lipid, protein, alkaloid, and phenolic compounds. Seaweed algae is macroalgae which generally has thallus and pigment photosynthesis to produce food and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Seaweed classified based on pigment color. Green seaweed, Chlorophyta, contains chlorophyll as the main pigment. Brown algae, Phaeophyta, contains the pigment fucocanthin. And red algae, Rhodophyta, contains pigments such as picoerine, picocyanin, picobilin, chlorophyll, beta-carotene, and canopy. Seaweed is a promising source for various kinds of development. Generally, seaweed is used as food, fertilizer, and medicine. Seaweed contains fiber, carbohydrates, low fat, minerals, vitamin, and acid. Amino acid, so they are suitable as food ingredients and are beneficial for health. Besides theropore, it contains primary metabolites, picocolloid, such as carrageenan, agar, and alginate, used as gelling, stabilizing, and thickening agent in food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industry. Other metabolites are polysulfated polysaccharides such as laminaran, rhamnan, sulfate, galactose, glycerol, and fucoidan which have activities as antioxidant, anti-allergy, anti-HIV, anti-cancer, and anticoagulant. Other studies also report that seaweed has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory activity. Red algae Rhodophyta. Red algae is a type of algae that has more biological activity than with other types of algae. The chemical compounds in red algae are dominated by Rhodomelaceae family. Red algae is the main source of halogenated formation compounds such as laurenterol, 1-halamone, 2-chalicaldol, 3, and other compounds. Halogenated compounds have various activities such as antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, ichthyotoxin, cytotoxin, and insecticidal. Apart from that, red algae also contains terpenoid, foliate hairs, acetogenin, some amino acid, shikimate, as well as nucleic acid and acetate derivatives. Various biological activities of red algae. There are several types of red algae that are known to have antibacterial activity. Compound this antibacterial is isolated from red algae such as Laurencia spp, Gracilaria spp, Acanthophora spp, and other red algae species. 1. Laurencia spp, 2. Acanthophora spp, 3. Gracilaria spp, 4. Calophichus serratus, 5. Rhodomela spp. Conclusion: the chemical compounds found in red algae have various properties and activities such as antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-carcinogenic. Red algae is a source. It is important that it can be developed as a source of medical ingredients that come from nature.